Wildwood started medical missionary work in 1942 with the purpose of restoring God's image in man. We did not just envision reaching people locally, but all over the world. We set out to inspire a global movement, to train missionaries to use health evangelism so that lives can be changed forever.
Every semester, we receive students from all parts of the world, eager to learn what medical missionary work is all about. They get immersed in a hands-on training on God's method of healing and restoration and transformation. They get also the opportunity to go to the communities around our campus, meeting people where they are, sharing with them what they are learning in their classes, and at the same time showing the compassion of Christ to them. Once a semester, they also get an opportunity to come with us to a church in a city of the U.S., in inspiring other church members to follow in the footsteps of Jesus, of healing, preaching, and teaching. After that training is over, they get launched to other parts of the world, and they become ambassadors of Jesus Christ.
Sometimes I see me in the phone like, oh, you know what I'm learning in the class? I'm learning about this, I'm learning about physiology, and you know what happened in your body? God is literally using me to share the love of God. And I have 3 friends that they are coming to Wildwood because they love what God is doing in my life, and they want the same. They want to be a missionaries, and they want to serve God, and they want to learn how the body works and how you can help more people like Jesus.
Every worker that is employed by Wildwood has to have a basic knowledge at least of God's healing practices. And that is a basic requirement that we also have when people come to work in the natural food store. Every day we have people coming in asking these questions, not only about what food can I eat, but what natural remedies do you have for specific conditions. And fortunately, we have the people there that can share with them and can help educate them. And in doing so, we form friendships, and we're able to share not only literature with them, but also from our personal experiences and how this knowledge has actually benefited us. And we also have people attending church now because of contacts that they've made through the natural food store. And in so doing, I believe we actually reach our wider community and fulfill the mission statement of Wildwood.
When I think about our vision and how Wildwood Lifestyle Center is inspiring a global movement using God's method for restoration and transformation of lives, I don't think about the hydrotherapy. I don't think about the staff even trying to share Christ with people, or even our 640 acres of land of peace and joy. I think about our guests who say, you know, I want to actually turn my home into a sanitarium because you all have transformed me. Or when they leave here and they want to be a part of our educational system because they want to be able to help someone else the way we've helped them, and even decide to join our team and be a part of the work. When those people do that, that makes us even want to enhance more of sharing the gospel. And one of the things that we're doing here in the Lifestyle Center is that we're trying to tackle even more the diabetic crisis within the United States. So one of the things that we're doing is a research program to be able to show and prove and write articles that the methods that we're doing here is making an impact within diabetes, as well as create a book so we can be able to share again what God's methods can do in healing someone who has diabetes. We're also starting this October having a CNA course that we can be able to help people go into people's homes to not only help them with cancer, diabetes, hypertension, but also to show God's method of love and care and simple remedies in the home. I tell you, it's an inspiring thing to be here to see what God is doing in the lives of others. And we pray that the new adventures that we're reaching out to do will even cause a greater global movement.
Our work is more crucial than ever before. Serving, educating, healing since 1942.